Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Esther. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I've already braided my whole head and I wanted to leave like a portion out to show y'all exactly what I'm doing. This is the third time I've done knotless braids, but getting it on camera was a bit of a struggle, but I'm gonna be sure to like guide you guys along the way. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this look, keep on watching. So I'm gonna go in with my Got2b gel. When I usually use this, it doesn't flake up like after I braid my hair, and after I take it out, it doesn't flake up at all. So this is my go-to gel when I use when I do box braids on my hair. It's pretty nice, I guess. I wasn't a fan of gel in the beginning when I first started braiding my hair, but I realized that it's a pretty good grip, especially when you want flat braids. So now I'm just going to be parting my hair into 3 sections. So the front part that I just pulled out is number 1. The second part I just pulled out is number 2, and the third one in the back is number 3. I'm trying to get it as perfect as I want it, because I was just kind of doing whatever with the braid parting and everything. But yeah. I begin by putting the braiding hair on top of number 1 and number 2. So 3's in the back, 2's in the middle, and 1 is in the front of your face. So here you see I'm placing the braiding hair on top. So once you begin braiding, 3's in the back, as you can see. So 1 goes under 2, and you can see I'm still holding 3 in the back. So 3 goes under number 1 because you just brought it to the other side. And basically you keep continuing that crossover motion, and don't get mad at yourself if you don't get it right the first time. It does take practice, especially at the root, because you're using extensions to really hold your hair and the extension in the same place. So the next clip, you can see me adding more hair, a second strand of hair, and adding it on. So yeah, I'm going to be able to slow that down for you guys so you can really understand what I'm doing. I really hope this helps you guys. So same thing here. 1 is technically the piece of hair that I just put in. So 1 goes under 2, and that's when you bring 3, and that goes under 1 because you brought in 1 first. So I'll be shooting this part of the video in real time, and then you can see later on that it's going to be slowed down as I'm getting closer to the end of my braid, so you guys can see how tight I'm holding the braid and how you should just stay consistent. So I'm just heating up some hot water because I don't got those fancy hot water things that you can just, plug in, boom, it's hot. No, we got to do it the ghetto version. I'm in college. I don't got a lot of stuff. But yeah, as you guys can see, I am just cutting off like the flyaways on my braids. I literally hate those so much. So I'm cutting those off. And then to not make the ends frizzy, I just dip it into the hot water. So yeah. Also make sure to use like a mousse to like make your hair look better, your braids I mean. It just looks more fresh, whatever. Make sure you don't put it like on your actual hair because that'll frizz up and it'll just look ugly. The fact that I actually can braid is kind of a flex. I mean, like 2 years ago, I thought that was foreign. I'm like, nope, my mom's gonna do my hair all the time. I'm not going to anybody. And then when I went to college, I was like, girl, I'm by myself. So I'm like, I need to learn. So this summer before I went to college, I think that's when I first started doing my hair. Or did I start? Yes. Or like a month before that. But I was really proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself. So if I can do it, y'all can do it too. Don't give up, right? Period. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'm kind of thinking about calling you guys like my brats, like the Brats family, and changing my username to Bratty Ezzy, Bratty Esther. I don't know. I really don't know. But okay, you guys, let me know in the comments what I should do for my next video. I already have like 2 in mind, but don't be afraid to comment down below. Love you guys. Mwah!